Tonight we have new details about a 16-year-old boy who is now charged with setting an Oconto Falls Elementary School on fire. A delinquency petition, which is the youth version of a criminal complaint, was filed against the teen today. He is accused of starting the fire at St. Anthony's School last week on Tuesday. The boy is facing allegations in juvenile court of arson, attempted arson, and burglary. Prosecutors are asking to try him in an adult court. Fox 11's Laura Smith has the story.
The teen accused of setting a blaze at St. Anthony's School sat before a judge for the second time this week. The case against the 16-year-old was laid out in a 13-page court document filed by prosecutors. According to that document, the boy first told investigators he didn't start the fire. He tried to put it out. The teen later admitted he was inside of the school screwing around and was responsible for starting the fire. The teen said he went to a local hardware store that day to buy a lighter. He told investigators he later went to the school and one of the doors opened when he jerked on it. The teen said he initially entered the building just to go in there. Once inside, he said he was bored and wanted to play around. Court records show the suspect told authorities he began lighting various pieces of paper on fire inside the school, then watched them go out. When investigators asked the boy why he did it, he said fire's cool. He added, "It's fun to play with fire and run your fingers through it." The teen said he didn't intend for the situation to get out of control, but then one of the fires he lit went up pretty quick and he freaked. The suspect said he tried unsuccessfully to put out the fire with an extinguisher. He then went to the Oconto Falls Library to call 911. The librarian told police the teen was breathing heavy and he smelled like smoke. According to court documents, the suspect has a history of playing with fire. His mother told detectives when he was 9 or 10 years old, she caught him lighting paper on fire twice. The teen is also charged with and has admitted to trying to set fire to St. Anthony Church in 2006. He told investigators he began playing with candles and lighting nearby paper on fire with the candles because he was curious. Authorities were called to the scene to put out the small fire. The prosecution has filed a request to move the case into adult court based on the seriousness of the offenses. A hearing to decide that matter will take place next month. In Oconto County, Laura Smith, Fox 11 News.
Attorneys on both sides declined to comment after the hearing today. The juvenile, who we cannot identify under Wisconsin law, remains in secure detention. Classes for students at St. Anthony's School resumed on Monday at Grace Lutheran Church.